This is a papaya tree from our old house, which is completely on rainwater. Here we can see that there's floor below it. Its roots have gone down, and the tree has borne fruit. A few papaya trees also grew in my mango plot from the seeds. It has grown properly, but it has not borne fruit. So why does this happen in the field? Either there are fertilizers applied earlier, or the trenches that we put on the ground, or whatever other work we do. The water-soluble salts are available to the plant, and thus the water requirement of the plant increases. Now here it is getting only rainwater. I always say that when a plant gets such salt-free water, its water requirement is very less, and then it can do some miracles. Nature's mechanism is to release these water-soluble salts into the groundwater or ocean every year. However, whatever we irrigate or apply chemical fertilizers increases the amount of such salts. So the results obtained from rainwater alone cannot be obtained there. Now we can see that the pipal tree has grown in the wall here, the age of which is 2 years. It has received only and only rainwater, and the rest of the nutrition is not available here. Scientists who work in soil microbiology are saying that uptake of nutrients through solute ions is an exception. Plants actually eat food just like we eat. So whatever food this plant or this papaya needed, the microbiology supplied it. And often they are available everywhere in the leaves, seeds, inner cells of the plant, called fungal and bacterial endophytes. And these provide food to the plant, just as humans eat food. But we try to feed the plant by watering and fertilizing. Here we can see that this is a cluster fig tree. Most of them are cluster fig tree, and there is a pipal tree, and here is a neem tree. Now here we can see that this wall is plastered with cement. From it we can see what is the potential of nature, as Gandhiji said, truth is the Lord. And then what is truth? Its nature. Then we say nature is the Lord. And Fukuoka says that natural farming is the closest way to obtain God. What we want to learn from this is that we should be able to develop a self-sufficient, self-sustaining, self-development farming system using this knowledge, which is increasing the problems due to the unnecessary expenses we do on the farm. Many times we have seen pipal trees growing in the wall, but this is a cluster fig tree. So far, we can see neem here. Say, neem, I have never seen neem tree growing in the wall like this before. We can clearly see here that 5 different trees are growing in this wall. Now we can see that as far as I know, it was a male papaya tree. We can see that earlier it had flowered a lot and it did not bear fruit. But now I can see these 2 fruits. It is a miracle to me. But I don't know for sure whether the male papaya bears fruit or not. If it bears fruit, then it is a normal thing. But if it doesn't, then it is a miracle.